Buying stock on IC World is very simple and easy way to do it. Okay, but before you can buy stock on IC World, you need to create IC World account. Okay, so after creating IC World account, then you create the CSD account also. After finish creating all these accounts before you can buy stock on IC World. I have already made video about how to create IC World account and how to create CSD account also. So you can come to my channel and watch that video step by step. Okay, so after you have created all the account, then you can buy any stock you want to buy on IC World. Okay, so I'm going to show you a step by step on how to buy the stock on IC World. Okay, so watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video, I want to know how to buy stocks on IC World. Okay, so what you have to do is you go straight to your app, you will click on your IC World app. Okay, and then you log in into your app, you type your password. Yes, so after you have logged into your account, what you have to do is you come to click on Trade Live. Okay, so you click on Trade Live and then you wait a moment. Okay, so I will use MTN shares for example. So if you want to buy MTN shares, then you click on MTN shares. Okay, so that you know the price, everything on it. So here the price of MTN share is 4 cedis, 21 pesos. Okay, so if you want to buy MTN shares, here we have buy, and then sell. Okay, when you want to buy MTN shares, you buy it on sell price. The sell price is 4 cedis, 21 pesos. Someone will ask why. Why won't you buy it on buy price but sell price? Because the sell price is the price sellers are demanding. Okay, so you buy it on sell price, 4 cedis, 21 pesos. Okay, so you have buy it on sell price, and at the moment you want to sell the stock you have bought already. You sell it 4 cedis, 15 pesos, because the buy price is the price the buyers are offering. Okay, so that's how the stocks works. And make sure when you are buying the stocks, make sure you buy it on the time they are working. Okay, so their working days is from Monday to Friday. Okay, from 9 o'clock to 4 p.m. Okay, so 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. So here you see that it has shown on the screen that market close, because today is weekend. So market has closed. Okay, so when you're going to buy the shares, make sure you buy it on daytime they are working. Okay, and this is their dividend. Okay, their dividend history, the amount of dividend when you buy the MTN shares, the amount of dividend you earn at the end of the day. Okay, we have qualifying date, payment date, and then amount. Okay, so for qualifying date is 22nd August 2025. Okay, and then the payment date is 11 September 2025. Okay, and the amount they paid is 0.08. Okay, which is 8 pesos. Yeah, 8 pesos. Okay, so when you are buying the stock, make sure to buy it before the qualifying date. Okay, so the qualifying date is 22nd August. Okay, so you can buy the stock from 1st to 22nd August. Okay, so if you delay and then you buy it on 23rd August, The day they are paying, you won't get anything because you won't qualify for the day they are paying. But if you buy it 22nd August and let's say 23rd, they pay the dividend, you will get some. Okay, but one thing is that when you buy the stock, it's 20 days intervals. Okay, the 20 days when you see on the screen, the qualifying date is 22nd August, but the payment day is 11th September. Okay, so which is 20 days interval. Okay, so when you buy the stock on 22nd, you qualify for 11th September. So when they are paying the dividend, you will get some. Okay, but when you buy it 23rd, 24th, 25th August, when they are paying the dividend on 11th September, you are not going to get some. Okay, because the qualifying date, you didn't buy it on the qualifying day. So that's how stocks works. Okay, and let me take you to different one. Let me take you to total. Okay, so let's scroll downwards and look at how total also their stocks work. Okay, so here the price of the total share stocks is 40 cedis, 40 pesos. Okay, so if you compare it to MTN shares, means total stocks are expensive than MTN stocks. Okay, so here also market is closed because it's today is weekend. Okay, so as I said earlier, when you want to buy the stock, make sure to buy it daytime from 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. Okay, so the buy price is 0.00 and the sell price is 40 cedis, 38 pesos. So as I already explained it on MTN stocks, that's the same thing total also works. Okay, and here the buy price is 0.00. The buy price is 0.00 because today is weekend. So I don't know, maybe it's market code, that's why it has appeared like that. Okay, so from Monday going, you can go to your ICWAT account and check that if you buy the stock, you can sell it. Okay, I hope it's because market is closed, that's why you can buy the stock but you can't sell the stock. Okay, so that's how total also their stocks work. Okay, and their dividend. Okay, for total, their qualifying date is 18th July 2025 and the payment date is 21st August. Okay, so for the total, the interval is very high because when you see 18th July and the payment day, they use it to pay the dividend, like the interval is very long. Okay, and the amount they pay is 2 cedis. Okay, so when you buy total stock, okay, July, August, I think it's 20 days, as same as MTN stock. Okay, so when you buy it on 18th July, then when they are paying the dividend on 25th, I guess, then you are going to get some. But when you buy it after the qualifying date, when they are paying the dividend, you are not going to get some. That's how the stock work. Okay, so let's go straight to how to buy it. Okay, so you click on liquidity fund. Okay, and then come and click on invest. Okay, so then you choose the payment type. Okay, either you have MasterCard, Visa card, Airtel Tigo Cash, or Vodafone Cash. Okay, for me, I'll use MTN Mobile Money. Okay, and then you select the amount you want to buy. Okay, so I want to buy 50 series shares, and then the frequency. Okay, either only today, every day, or I will select every month. And then date of first payment. Okay, so I will choose my date. Okay. And your contact. Okay. Then you select your contact and then you click on submit. Okay, so you click on continue. Okay, and then you wait for a moment for it to load. And after it appear like this, you click on done. Okay, so this is a simple way to do it. Okay, it's very simple and easy way to do it. Okay, so after buying your first stock, okay, then you become part either MTN, Total, Farmers, you become that part of that company. Okay, so if that company works hard, at the end of the day, then they will pay you a dividend. But if the company, either MTN company, Farm, Total company doesn't perform well at the end of the day, then you're not going to get any dividend. That's how stocks works. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, here is Profit My Channel. Thank you for watching it and I'll see you in my next video.